Welcome back. We're another video. We're going to Buc-ee's. Now, you know Buc-ee's has the largest gas station and largest pumps ever. Comment below if you've ever been to Buc-ee's before. Every time we go to Galveston, we must stop at Buc-ee's. Again, enjoy the video. Buc-ee's, let's go. So this is the inside of Buc-ee's. It's always rewarding, nice, clean. Now, next time we go to Buc-ee's, we're going to go to do a deeper dive in Buc-ee's where the clothes, but we came in on the back side of Buc-ee's. Again, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Again, you guys are going inside of the largest gas station. It has snacks. It has food, clothes, apparel. Did I say clothes? But did I say snacks? Snacks. So here's the Buc-ee truck. Got to get a beaver, and we're going to get that next time we go back to Buc-ee's. Here are the clothes inside of Buc-ee's. These are the swimsuits. So if you forget your swimsuit or your nightgown, your sunglasses, they have a whole section dedicated to that. Now we had to maneuver through the traffic. Again, this was like 9-something in the morning, I believe. And look at all these people already in there. Like, it was like a freaking traffic jam. Get out of my way. This is like 9 o'clock in the morning, breakfast time. Where are all these people going? You wouldn't even think that all these... Yes, you would. You would... Yeah, this is Buc-ee's. So this is the brisket bar. So this is a wall of beef jerky. All types of beef jerkies that are produced by Buc-ee's. The world-famous beef jerky wall. But again, you know why we came in Buc-ee's? For the snacks. So these are the cinnamon rolls, pecan rolls, cookies. We only came in Buc-ee's for the snacks. All right, guys. So we're about to try the Buc-ee's. Oh, you really can't see it. But this is the Buc-ee's whoopie pie. This is birthday cake. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna get a piece. Cheers. Can't really see, but...
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Soft. One of the best. What do you think? Now we're done with Buc-ee's. This is the real reason why we came to the beach. We're about an hour away, hour and a half away, less than that from the beach. Magnificent. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment. Look at the waves. It's not Miami, but it will do. Again, until the next video, don't forget to like, share, comment. This is Galveston, Texas. Peace, love, and blessings.